Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. The soup videos will start next Monday. In this collection, you'll find step-by-step recipes for creamy soups and chowders, hearty meat and vegetable soups, brothy noodle soups, spicy international favorites, meat in a bowl comfort soups. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow with simple ingredients and big flavor. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.